Gonna kill you.
With a hammer.
Smash
Yo,
a bottle
Siphon
of
Forest, the only map in the game.
The only map.
There's
There's a pest. There's a
The
pest.
cave thing is open. I've not seen the cave open in like
Oh
ever.
fuck! I forgot that's what that right click does. Ah fuck! I don't know how to play this character anymore.
Why are you guys so far away?
Well, I spawn next to you. I just
I don't
glided
know.
over.
Just
Yeah.
where the drop pods.
Yeah, no, it always does this for some reason. Oh, okay. I hit him. Let's go. So you're captain, okay. Yeah, you might have to guess.
I have all medical items.
another-
Let's go.
Oh, a healthy boy. I see.
Another crystal.
I managed to get both void items. I think on this level. That's pretty good. Where's the teleporter? Oh, there it is. Oh, that's right. We have that mod installed.
Okay, Steam, can you stop downloading Destiny?
There's a
Okay,
third
thank you.
void cradle on this map. Holy! I see.
Here,
green
who wants a
glasses.
fuel cell?
I'll take a fuel cell because I have a lysate cell.
Oh yeah. That'll be good.
Yeah. Tentibobble. Does anyone want Tentibobble?
Oh, what does Tentibobble do?
It freezes people in place.
Root.
This is-
Oh, I'll take that.
That'll be good for you, definitely. If you just like rapid fire it and then freeze and then headshot. Yeah, that'd be
Got crit glasses up here.
yeah, there's quick
Yeah.
glasses up there. You can have it. I think. Did someone open this big chest yet? Yes. I have 3 flamethrowers. This is gonna go hog crazy. I think. If one ignition tank is all I need, please. If someone buys an ignition tank.
Ooh,
I'll
whose
keep my eyes
topaz
out.
brooch is this?
I don't know. Someone pinged it, so I guess I didn't want it.
Oh yeah, I didn't. I got it. I don't need it.
Did you need help with that? Okay, I guess you didn't.
What?
Oh,
You don't need it?
No, I'm playing sniper.
Ow.
I haven't used
Alright,
flame.
I'm ready.
I'm almost ready. Let me get to a better position.
How does nano wall work again? I forget.
You
Anyways,
place
Wait
it.
and stuff.
I mean, I know how it works. It's just like I'm making.
Okay.
it go.
I'm ready.
I'm ready as well. Give me
I
a
am
second.
looting the other corner of the map. Hold on.
Is there stuff there?
Yeah, there's another void cradle.
Oh my god!
There's a lot of void cradles.
Wait, let me add it, Chief. Don't just freeze me, you bastard! You bastard froze me. God damn it, man.
Hey man, that's all I got.
I know.
That's all you
Energy
need.
drink, an 11 crit, and a dream.
Excellent.
Where's the?
Look at. I mean, Sean literally has like 2 items, so you know.
What beacon? You bring the electric beacon?
Yeah.
People bring electric beacons. Well, stealth kit. Well,
Yeah.
whatever.
Do we do hack or heal? And it's almost always just hack.
Well, I just do hack and heal.
Oh. I usually just double up.
That's probably a good idea, honestly.
I just realized Sean...
Sean,
Oh no, that's just a DLC character, right?
that is a DLC character. Exactly.
Yeah, I was like, wait, how does he have her unlocked?
It's the one you get for free.
Yes, we know.
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
I realized that now.
Stinky, smelly.
I love
What
how
are
you
we-
speak
what are
like
we
Dale
doing
now. It's
here?
really cool. And of course, my deadpan delivery of this line is telling you it's not cool.
Bullshit.
Yeah, take another
Oh, there you go.
So
Bacon shred.
I'm about to fucking go pog crazy, boys.
Want scrimp. Everyone wants scrimps.
My blood fountain, my blood fountain. Fuck.
man, I probably shouldn't do this.
Get fucked.
Oh boy, have fun. Oh, we got the one healer drone. We just need the healer drone to
Where's
heal
my
you.
healer
It'll be
drone?
okay.
I don't want to die.
My healer drone now.
No, he's my Ibs.
What is that background? Why
It's
Brain's
Brayden.
playing shit
Because
background?
Brayden doesn't know how to fucking use headphones to watch YouTube videos.
He's watching it on his TV.
Well,
No,
maybe he
no,
shouldn't.
And stop.
Yeah, maybe don't do that.
I just happened to be leaning forward, and that makes you guys hear it.
Yeah, then don't do that.
Away from my chest.
You can't
My
even
chest.
tell
My
if I'm
chest.
doing it or not. It's just something I do.
Well,
My chest.
war chest, bad chest, bad chest.
I bought it. It's my chest.
You dick.
Get fucked.
Alright, I took a gore
He's
stone.
right, Dawson. I mean, he's right, Sean. He's right.
Oh,
So
you
you should
stole
respect
a
that.
Serious,
new
like, no one wants
Kahanas.
insta-kill goggles by any chance?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, you don't want insta-kill goggles. Someone else wants it. I mean, like, mercenary could use it.
Actually, yeah, I feel like that would
Yeah, you can
be good
have
for
them if
me.
you want,
man.
Gish. This is my chest. Back the fuck off, assholes.
God, fighting over loot.
It's a fuel cell. Poggy! This is just my build.
You
Just
can use
infinite
just
flames.
only flamethrower.
Yeah.
It's just like your primary fire now.
Oh. Okay.
What?
I wanted to watch.
I mean,
Remove this fucking.
Gobo.
wait. I'm assuming syringe makes it. I'm assuming flamethrower like works like suppressive fire, and that it will shoot more up or hit more times.
Will tick more.
Yeah,
I
take
don't know.
more. Is the word I was looking for. Holy shit, this is powerful. What does ignition tank do? Yeah, plus 300%. Oh yeah, we definitely need more than ignition tanks.
Hog.
Hog?
Oh, there's another scrapper here too.
Fuck. Oh, that's not a green
Is this printer?
topaz printer.
Nah, I don't have anything really that I want at the moment. Oh, yeah, I hear the crit glasses. Bottom.
You got the super crit glasses.
Yeah.
Gambling. The open? That's not open. Let's go. There's somebody.
Just yellow pool with it.
Where is everybody?
Ooh!
It's trash. You should have given that to fucking. God damn it! Why did you take that shit?
It's self-defense item.
Fine. Good on everybody.
No, because he's gonna
But
be like
more
15,000
melee, but-
meters away.
Yeah, so people, you can't be jump scared.
Yeah,
I
exactly.
I want him
Alright.
to be jump scared. Anyways, let's get the fuck out of here.
Yeah. Try and get over here.
I'm coming.
He doesn't need to be over there. He can just sit like in another state.
Yes. But he needs to charge faster.
That's fair.
I still like do the physics glitch where you smash him into the floor.
Yeah, I
Yes.
love that glitch.
I don't know how to do it. I don't. Oh, yep.
Yo, he's
He's
tilting.
wobbling a bit. He's tilting.
Oh god.
Uh oh, going to explode.
Oh, there's a cup.
Oh, there's two of them.
Nice.
Hello.
Did it. Yeah. I don't see any collapse triggering.
Probably because you can't do it on bosses.
Can't?
No.
I didn't know that.
Cup is after me.
Oh, hello. I'm gonna die. Come
Yeah.
kill me.
Ooh. I
Oh,
wonder
hey,
who
look,
gets
ignition
those.
tanks.
Wait, what is it? Oh,
4
not
ignition
useful.
tanks.
Please don't die. Please
Yeah,
don't kill
just
me.
don't die.
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Go up. Get the fuck away from me, please.
Fuck,
I got
I
you.
took two. Shit.
What? Oh, oops. Oops. I took two. Oops.
I dropped off. Shut up, Crow.
Wait, oh no, we don't have the yeet mod because it was broken. So we can't give it to him. Oh, that gup just got incinerated.
Yes.
Well, now you just gotta get some gasoline.
Yeah, you
and
better
you'll be
take that
good to
gas
go.
for now.
Yeah, I'll go do that.
No, just need 1 gasoline.
Not good
No
reason.
gasoline, I guess.
I didn't get a.
Guess we
I didn't get a chance to get to
Yeah,
the
get it.
gasoline.
You don't,
yeah,
you don't
you
get the
have to
turn.
get it later, I guess.
Avoid item, avoid item,
Thing,
avoid item,
I wanna
avoid
see
item,
what
avoid
this
item, avoid
is.
item. Watch out, Gish. Watch out, Gish. Watch out. I hope we got
Oh,
those
it's just
guys.
Tenta
Oh, we
Bobble.
did not get those guys. We 1000% did not get those guys. Die, please.
Who wants the Tentabobble?
I'll get it. I've already got Tentabobble, so I might as well.
Band. That's Ronaldo's band. Whatever. I don't fucking give a shit. Anyways, can die, please. Never mind. These guys are too high for me. Can someone else? Can we get much higher?
You'll be able to shoot them with your regular fireballs.
Yeah, but like I
and
suck
your,
with shooting those things.
your M2 should be
I'm
like a.
literally at
little-
half health already. What the hell happened? What the?
What did I just summon?
I summoned the
Uh-huh.
bighorn bisons. Gosson. Can we run there, Gosson? Oh, he's dead. Okay. What?
What?
Did we still have infinite range? I think the answer is yes.
I don't have enough.
There's like 1,000 fucking bisons. What the hell? Stop. Please go away.
I'm helping.
Yeah, they give you. I summon them to get money.
No, they summoned
They're
on
not
me.
collapsing though.
Oh, another fucking
I want them
Tetris,
to
awesome.
collapse.
Fuck off.
Collapse.
Fuck off, fuck off, fuck off. I need healing
Oh,
items.
they're so tanky. Oh, there we go. One just got deleted. Finally. Big chest. Gimme.
Oh god damn it! Can somebody come over here and help
It's,
me?
a skull. Anyone want that? Actually, I will also take that.
I'm gonna
Multiple
die.
people can
I'm
proc
gonna
it.
die, dude.
Yes, charge straight at me in a straight line, please.
Awesome. Fuck you. Sorry, Gish. Oh,
What we get? What we get?
go here.
What is it?
Want bear?
Teddy bear?
Want the bear?
One of you can take that.
Are you
need
sure? I feel like you want. I guess you
survivability.
can turn invincible at will. So I guess.
Yeah. I don't need as much unless you want to wait for Sean to get it.
Who wants
No, I already took it.
shurikens?
Oh, okay.
Oh god, the lag.
Also teleporter. No one wants shurikens?
Why would
nah,
you
no
do that?
shurikens. Fucking
Ish.
squid ball at the end.
Squid ball up.
Oh.
What? Yeah, I'll take more shurikens, I guess.
More shurikens?
Gives me a little. Yeah, it gives me a
Oh
projectile.
my god, he's so tanky. What the hell?
Zap
He's
him.
dead.
Wait,
Ow.
electric.
What's up?
Yeah, I need like
Rusty
one healing
lockbox.
item.
It
Does
is
anyone
freaking
It is
out
a
over there.
cat.
have a cat?
You can put it in my room.
What? Oh.
What?
He's talking in real life, also known as IRL.
I see the cat. She's being weird.
No.
No,
I can't
go
fix
find
it.
Go find something. It's called a computer. Alright, I'm gonna go grind some shit, so watch out, boys.
Thanks.
I love having fun. Don't you guys love having fun?
Leave it open.
No,
Okay, fair enough. Well, I mean, you're you, so like.
I play
guess
Destiny
I mean-
2.
What is
Yeah, I
that?
know. That's why I said
Having
you're
fun is an
pretty
impossibility.
Yes, I know. Don't worry, I'm well aware.
Who has a rusted key?
Me, I'm coming.
I also shiny
Oh.
hunts.
Let's see what it is. What do you get? Ignition tank.
Hey, Crow.
I do the least
Let me
fun
get
things
this. I'm
known
so
to
far away and I have no fucking movement abilities. Why does Gish have so many items?
Yes, because I'm the fastest.
That's true,
Oh.
actually.
I've just been breeding real hard.
Oh, fuck me. Wait, wait, what the hell? Well, you're not supposed to be here. Get the fuck away from me.
I need out of here. There we go.
I gotta get out of here.
Stop that, stop that, stop that, stop that. Bad boy, bad boy.
Quickly. There he goes.
Oh god, they're up top.
Now where's
God
the other
damn
one?
it.
Where is he?
Up top.
there.
Give me a
Missed.
second, I'm going around. Wait, can I roll it faster him? Push him away, boys. Wait, I can't see him. There we go. Oh, that like did nothing. Oh yeah, Gish, you got this. Yeah, Gish, you got this all by yourself.
Yeah.
Oh, now I can't shoot him anymore? Oh well.
Oh,
Anyone
he's sucking me.
I think someone just died. Yeah.
What the fuck happened?
I got shot in the back, and then got sucked into his. I have
Sounds
shift
like a
class.
skill issue.
I got
There we
shift-
go.
I don't know why you
Moving on here.
picked up
Oh,
Shield
would you
Class,
look
but
at that?
Okay, well, grinder time.
Wait, what does Hunter
Oh, I,
Sharp do
I
again?
picked up two by. Okay, this one was actually by accident because they're like literally right next to each other. So don't make fun of me, okay? Don't make fun of
Oh
me.
no, I have it on tape. Have it on tape.
Why do you
Play
have
the
200
footage back.
harpoons, kid? What was wrong with you? Why do you have 100 harpoons to begin with?
Wait,
Why
what?
do you have
Took
100
mine.
harpoons?
Probably took mine.
Because it makes me faster when I kill
I
stuff.
mean, but doesn't it like mess up your mojo?
I
No.
mean, 100. I think
I think it does sometimes make me dash weird.
I think the only time that Hunter's Harpoon is good is actually on
Or, I
Merc,
guess
yeah.
loader probably as well. I mean, you know, that's pretty much it. I mean, if you loader, then you like punch and then you get the.
Wait, what is that? What's
during
that
the
over
punch,
there?
Probably pretty good.
Can't see it. Is that a chest? Chest damage.
Invisible chest?
Yeah, I think we can open it.
No, invisible chest?
Oh, no, it's a regular chest.
Okay.
Specs.
From the large chest.
Button.
No.
Oh, good.
Uh-oh.
Oh, hello. Kill it!
Among Us.
Fire!
We got Among
And
Us.
lightning.
As soon as we spawned in
What
here.
the fuck? Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Who was waiting to do an Among Us?
I was.
Well, yes, probably the person who was fucking dead.
Maybe, that makes sense.
Yo, there's a
Oh,
purifying
he just
pool
got
here,
obliterated.
boys.
Ooh, here's the thing. Actually, who's behind? You can use this thing.
Yo, Gish, your coin.
What is this?
Gish, get the coin. Get the coin, good.
Oh, I need a coin. I have none.
Yeah. I also, there you go. I'll get a coin.
Wait, what did you just
There, I
ping?
have 2
What was that
coins.
purple thing?
It's the
Oh,
the,
shipping
the
request
form.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it?
One of you guys can do that since I
So many
have
items.
a lot of stuff already.
Alright, what's with the
Yeah.
here? Why?
Well,
Oh,
Yep.
Well, I mean, this is what we want.
Gobo.
ow.
How did you?
Oh.
Yeah, I guess it doesn't.
Oh,
let
there
it
was a
in.
guy up top. There was
Die.
there was
Oh,
a
fuck, someone did die. Also, I'm about to die, by the way. Hold on, bye.
there was an overloading vulture
Let's see.
who hit me with all 3 of the sides.
Die, 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 die. Goodbye.
Right.
Goodbye.
Trying
Wait,
to knock
this
it
is
as
actually
well.
fine. It would be fine for me, wouldn't it? Because I have the,
You just float up into the sky and sit there.
yeah, I just have the jetpack. Okay, stop going up. Yes, can you stop dragging him up?
Dragging him all the way up
Yeah,
there.
so can I
Fine.
hit him, please? if you don't mind, my friend. Oh god. Wait. Wait, that kills me. Okay,
Oh
never
my
mind. I
God.
didn't realize it actually does damage, I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah, it does a ton of damage.
I thought it
too.
just like, I thought the point was it just did the fall damage to you.
No. Oh, now I can hit it. Knock it around.
Are you trying to push him into the fucking wall? Okay, fair enough.
Yeah. Well, I just did it, but that was like the
Yeah,
first
no,
time.
I don't think I have a single healing item. No, I have like literally no healing items. No wonder I'm so fucking weak. Also, the fact that like the thing build is not actually very good.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. Ah!
Surprise, surprise.
Oh,
It's
there's a
not
lot of
actually
Elder
very good. So how's
Lunarians.
Dawson doing?
Ow. This is
You having
good.
fun there,
Quick
Dawson?
die. There we go, we killed it. What do we get? What do we get? Something good, right?
Resonance
water?
disc.
Okay, cool.
I mean, it's probably good.
Alright,
it was probably good for
let's teleport out of here, right?
I mean,
Good.
there's still looting to be done.
you. Yeah, there's lots of loot.
Yeah, but there are also 2 dead people.
Well, it's fine.
Okay.
I mean, not really, but like whatever. I have to say it's fine, so people don't hate me, so I don't get canceled online.
Thumbs
Wait,
where's
mercenary.
it down?
Like a little bit of healing, that'd be nice.
Bro, cancel culture is out of control. There's a chest right there.
Ooh, that's very good.
Wonder
Oh.
Vagrant!
Oh, fantastic.
Ooh.
They're all down here.
I mean,
Oh,
yes, please
there's one up
destroy
here.
him. Thank you. Well, I'm gonna go find some Doritos to eat, I think. Oh look, Doritos. I'm gonna eat these salty crackers without anything else, so I'm gonna just basically go insane.
Die.
Don't die, please.
Go, Gobo, do something. He just fell immediately into the pit. Oh, escape the map. Did not. What do we get? Ow. Oh,
And
there goes Gobo.
You can't proc it.
Any bands?
Oh no, you can proc
Yeah,
it. You
you
can probably
can.
proc it with uppercut, I guess.
yeah, uppercut
Yeah, I
can
think
proc.
so.
Well, to be fair. Oh, I guess Captain does that.
Ah, there was so much freezing.
Not that I ever used the normal like normal probe anymore. I use the Diablo strike and do absolutely nothing with it, like real Captain players.
A
Kill
real
people.
gamer.
Yeah, like real gamers, I use the Diablo strike and hit literally nothing with it.
Kill your teammates with it.
Don't go yet. I want to scrap some stuff real quick. All right.
Man, look how many items we have. I mean, you guys have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
118 items.
Try the mountain, try the mountain, try the mountain, try the mountain.
I feel like it's a bad
Okay.
idea.
Fuck
Do it,
you.
Probably shouldn't.
Don't be a coward.
Can we deal with the void touched cup?
Where?
Oh,
the void
it's a
touch.
void cell.
Yeah, I don't see anything. That's why I asked where.
There you go. It's instantly incinerated.
Oh, crab.
Oh god. Ow, 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 ow. Yeet.
That fucking one dude. Oh my god, I'm gonna die already. I got shot by a triangle that did like 500 damage.
Same.
Yeah, it's probably in a late triangle. Would use Gobo, but then he's probably gonna get possessed and kill us all.
Yes,
So,
that is absolutely
do
what was
that.
gonna happen if you did that.
how many we got left? 7?
Oh, that's
Oh,
nice.
is there
Boy,
another seed
bad.
somewhere?
Wait, fuck. Food. I'm not staying in here.
Oh, there is not another. Oh, there's still crab.
Yeah, there's still like there's turrets in here as well.
Uh-oh. Ah! Oh, goodbye.
My capacitor cannot kill a fucking bell fucker. That's not very good. That's not... What the fuck? Elder Librarian just spawned behind me. I'm dead.
Let me get out of here.
Dude, I have no healing items. I can't do anything. If I get hit once, I'm fucked. I'm
Oh my
literally
God.
that
Like-
triangle
like
fucked
that?
me immediately.
I got hit once and died immediately.
Well, that's because you have shaped glass. I have full fucking health.
I don't have shaped glass.
Okay,
Got
never
rid
mind.
of the
It's just
shaped
that
glass.
This shit has scaled way too hard already.
You didn't go fast enough.
You having fun down there?
Doesn't look like I'm having fun.
Well, yeah, because you're kill things.
Yes.
I literally can't do any damage because I'm fucking artificer.
Where the cell? I don't know where the other. Oh, there it goes.
It got killed by the XI construct over there.
Oh god, that's not good.
Cool.
What, the XI construct?
You mean the Zy
Is there,
construct? Yeah.
were there 2 seeds?
No. It was just over
Oh,
there.
you, hell yeah.
I like him just like
I'll call you.
staring at you.
Hey, buddy.
Shrimp!
Shrimp.
Time for shrimp! No, 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 don't possess him. Don't possess. No possession, please. Thank you. Alright, cool.
Well, I'm gonna go find something else to do.
Yeah, that,
For me.
cool.
That works too, I guess.
Not that far.
It's not that bad. This is an easy boss.
Overloading.
Oh, that was the overloading. That's fine. Like this guy, I don't think I've ever seen this guy actually do any damage. Except for like, you know, when he does the gravity thing, that's it. And that's not even the right boss.
Didn't you die to this boss?
Uh-oh.
No, this is a different boss. The Soul's control unit is distinct from the alloy, whatever control unit. This one doesn't do the gravity
Ah,
thing.
Yeah, the alloy control. Oh, I'm dead. No, I'm not. I dodged.
See?
I
It's
dodged
easy.
it like a boss. Yep. Shrimp. Time for shrimp. Shrimp. As
See?
shrimpful as that.
It's easy.
Oh,
I think I
cool.
accidentally
Push into a
smushed
wall,
it against
for
the wall.
sure, Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Leptin Daisy.
Eyeball.
and Leptin Eagle.
Actually, yeah, that's much better for you to get the eyeball thing.
Well, yeah. Well, yeah. Yo, Gold Shrine. Did you guys not hit the Gold Shrine?
No. Everyone's dead. We're all dead.
Clearly, you're not dead.
So,
And I so need more speed.
Hey, what's this thing over here? What'd you make? Fuel cell? Can I take that fuel
How
cell?
do you have speed?
Yeah.
Well, someone should take it because I'm not taking it.
Yeah.
I probably should be
You
because
want the fuel cell?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, but he can get multiple gobos. Okay, sure, I'll take it.
I'm so slow. Also, I have like no fucking items.
Yeah.
Well, I guess I'm gonna go with my fucking attack.
Oh, one. Fuck, I'm gonna fucking die.
No. How do I get over? I can't get over, dude. How did you get over, Docile? What the fuck?
I got a Hoku feather.
Yeah, of course, because he gets over. Because I don't get any fucking good items as well. Except for the fucking ignition tanks, we do no fucking.
Stop.
Okay, well that's a.
Sean, did you mean to do that?
No,
Yes, I
I
did.
didn't.
What? Why did you do-
I don't know why, but my game is lagging.
Uh,
It's probably my Wi-Fi
We
dying.
should have gotten a centric base, boys. I'm so sorry.
That's obviously.
wait, you are
Bad
doing the
character.
regenerating scrap?
I'm not. I don't know what he is.
Yeah. Oh, wait, the left and daisy completely negates this thing.
Yeah, that's useful.
Hey, that was super fast for some reason.
Hey, what the fuck?
Oh yeah, books spawn. Because Sean doesn't have anything on this account. Is that it? Alright. That's it.
Yep.
Go to the jump pads.
I hate when I miss that shit. I'm gonna die. The fucking
Die,
helicopter's gonna kill me.
Ramen.
I'm actually gonna die.
No!
I literally
him,
can't kill
Dasa. You
anything,
did
dude.
it.
One fucking helicopter does about 100% of my health. God damn, man.
Where did... I feel like I passed multiple jump pads.
All the jump
On
pads
the
are on
way
like the
over
other
here.
side of the map.
Yeah.
That's really cool, thank you. I'm just taking damage randomly. What the fuck is happening? Fucking, I don't know. I have probably because one person took literally every item in the game in this fucking run.
You guys died.
Yeah, whose fault? Yeah, because you took all the items before that.
Oh.
Yes.
Egg. Feed.
Hello, I'm dead, by the way. Oh, I'm not dead, by the way. Eat shit, by the way. Oh, he's gone.
Oh.
Okay, hover, 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 hover. We're good. I literally can't see where he is under all the numbers, I'm gonna be honest. Fuck, where is
Yep.
he? There he is. Too bad we don't have symbiotic scorpion or something.
Oh. Yeah, I got a Shattering Justice.
Yeah, you know, you symbiotic scorpion also knows shattering justice better. Fuck me, I'm dead. I'm
Shattering
not dead.
Justice 2.
I definitely thought I got hit by the shockwave that time, I'm gonna be honest. Stop doing that, please.
Just blocking at you aggressively.
No, I'm talking about his eye beam attack, or his eye, like, machine gun, rather. I'm dead.
Yeah.
I'm not dead. I'm dead. Okay, literally he just...
Oh, now you're
I was
dead.
invisible,
Went through your
dude!
one-shot protection.
That's so... What's the point of invisibility if everyone can just see you when you're invisible? Like, actually. Fucking ridiculous.
Just went straight through the invisibility.
Yes!
Oh, man, I missed.
Complete fucking garbage. That was really cool, thank you, game.
Where's the last one? Oh. Wait, there's more.
Are they spawning in? I guess they are.
Yeah. Oh, too early.
Fucking hell.
No touchy. No touchy.
You're fine.
Ow. My shield. Now I can't shrimp anymore. Can't shrimp. Ow.
You're fine. Just run away. Okay, you may not be fine anymore.
God. Ah! If I get caught in a tornado and dead instantly.
I should just take my headphones off. Like, what the hell am I watching anyways? 1 second. I need to, like, find something.
Owie. Okay, I'm not dead. Oh no, but shoot.
This is like an easy phase. No, Dasa, where's your Gubo?
Quickly! Oh, you gotta send
It's
your
on-
Gubo!
It's
Oh.
20 seconds.
Why did you use
No,
it?
it's on cooldown before the thing.
Wait, does this mean Mithrix can summon Gummy Mithrix?
I don't know.
He better be able to if I'm if he
Ow, 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 ow.
Are you about to die, Gish?
I'm not.
I mean, he didn't take my
Waiting.
Gubo.
Oh, okay. Well, that's boring. They should
Oh yeah.
let Mithrix
I
do
need
the
to
Gubo.
just hide.
Good point, Crow. I like your idea.
Yeah, they should just make they should make it
Let
so
him
they
take
should
the
make it so
Gubo.
Gubo is a thing that people and
Later.
enemies in the void field can get. in
Damn
my
it!
opinion.
I shot the wrong thing. Hit him with.
Oh,
What the
fucking
fuck?
hell.
What the fuck?
I think you got plasma shrimp. You got plasma shrimp, brother.
There you go.
What the fuck did you do to him?
I just went aggro.
Why the hell
Ow,
do you,
he
how
still
the
has
hell
his
do you
little
do damage, man?
thing.
What?
You
Is
literally
he
had no
dead?
items. Yeah, he just someone
Yeah.
one-shot him.
I didn't one-shot it. I did do a ton of damage really quickly, though.
Yeah, with 0
As
items.
soon as he started giving me my items, I just went straight in to try
You're
it.
welcome.
Yeah,
What do you mean you're welcome?
I was hiding.
Yeah.
I was lost. I needed my items. Without my
Well,
trinkets
have
and
fun,
baubles, I was
Docile,
nothing.
Navigating back at this point.
With no mobility. But the crabs! Think of the crabs!
Fuck the crabs. I'm gonna eat crabs now.
I'm gonna eat you.
I'm gonna go out and get crab.
I actually hate eating crabs. I must admit.
Crab's okay, I just don't like
I just
all the work.
don't like crab in general.
So much
Oh my
work
god,
to
that's
peel
so
and all
many.
that. There, they get yoinked.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Blue.
Look at the- oh,
Did
it's
you
a chain.
also see the
I
giant
saw
squares?
that. Yes, I did see the gigantic bloom circle.
It wasn't
I didn't see
blue.
that.
It was squares. It Minecrafted itself.
Oh no, for me it was just like literally just a ball of light. That was just completely.
Yeah.
absurd.
No. I think my desktop, like my monitor, saved me because it couldn't accurately.
No, yeah, no, I
Couldn't
was just,
handle it.
it was literally flashbang out. It was quite
I
literally.
can't believe we
flashbang out.
lived.
Yes,
because-
we.
Yeah, we.
Yeah.
All,
I
all
bet
two
me
of
and
us.
Gish.
Yep,
All
yep,
two of
boys.
us.
Yeah, I'm never
Just
playing
the
this
two
character
of
again.
us.
Yes,
And
you're
no one
playing-
important died.
Yes, you're playing Artificer now.
Yep.
Yeah, you're right, because I was playing Artificer. Who cares about Artificer?
All Artificer.
Want me
That's
to
a
play
reason. There's a reason
Artificer?
they were stuck in the fucking shop for about 1,000 years because no one cared enough to free them. Skip, please, you fuckers.
Yep.